Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can grill full chicken in the oven. Normally, leftover chicken smell a bit, oh no, but I will give some tips today how you can keep your leftover chicken even day after. It's not smelly and is moist. For this, please watch this video until end. If you like my video, please do thumbs up and subscribe my channel please. For this recipe, I have taken a whole chicken, cut it into 4 pieces with skin on. If you want to keep your chicken moist and juicy, you must leave the skin on. You can't remove the skin, otherwise the chicken will get harder. First, you have to clean the chicken thoroughly because the skin normally is quite dirty. So you must clean your chicken carefully because it's a homemade chicken. You can't just eat random thing when you make homemade food. And follow my instruction how I am slashing the chicken breast because the chicken breast contains thicker meat which takes time to cook. When you slash the chicken breast, you just dig the knife in the thicker part of the meat and carefully pull up the skin, but make sure you don't just cut the skin. I will not slash the leg because legs contains more fat and it gets cooked really fast. Also make sure there is no excess water in the chicken. I will transfer my chicken in a bigger bowl and then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, some salt to taste and couple of tablespoons of butter. I have taken 6 tablespoons of butter here. I'm using quite lots of butter because when the chicken will be cooked, all the butter will drain anyway. I will try to spread the butter on top of the chicken and inside the skin as much as I can. I will separate some butter just to add some more salt because I am going to use this butter just under the skin. Because if you put the butter under the skin, it helps to keep your chicken really moist. Very carefully make a small hole, put the butter and try to spread over. The extra salt I have added into the butter because when the butter will melt, the salt will spread over the chicken, even under the skin. Then it makes more tastier than if you don't put the butter with salt inside. Also, I will keep some butter away to use it later. I will show you at the end how I'm going to use more butter. Chicken marination is done. I will leave it until I prepare my tray. I will prepare my roasting tray with the help of foil paper just to make my life easy because when you cook chicken, the tray gets really messy and it's really hard to clean. So if you put foil, after cooking, you just take it off and the job is done. If anyone is doing keto diet, it's perfect for them, and if you are not doing anything, it's even better. After preparing the tray, I'll put the chicken on top and almost your job is done and the rest of the job will do the oven. I'm not going to use grill because if I use grill, the oven gets really messy. I don't want that, but I'm using roasting tray. It works same for me. So if you want, you can use your roasting tray instead of grill. At that point, 90% of your job is done. I will sprinkle some more butter on top of the chicken because the skin doesn't hold the butter really firm. And just put it in the oven with the highest temperature in your oven. When the chicken is half cooked, you just flip it over. And lower the oven temperature a little bit, otherwise the chicken might get overcooked and it might make the chicken harder. When the chicken is nearly done, take some extra butter with some salt and try to brush it over the chicken. That helps the chicken softer longer time. I like my chicken well done, so I will cook a little extra time, but you can adjust according to your choice, how tender you want or how well done you want. When you flip over your chicken each time, make sure you brush some melted butter which is lying down on the tray. That will help the chicken not to get harder. When the chicken is fully cooked, I will take some butter with salt and I'll brush it over because the butter I have put inside and outside is been drained away. So this butter will help to keep your chicken soft and moist even the day after. You can serve the chicken as it is, but I have used some chili sauce on top of the chicken, but it's completely personal. And there you go, it's all done, and thank you for watching my video.